For your RLR project in family economics, we are going to use the wiki function in Blackboard to facilitate the peer review process. This is a quick screencast showing you how we would like the wikis used for this particular project in this particular class. From the family economics home screen, you will click on the left on wikis. Here you will see some different links we've added to tell you more about wikis, and eventually your peer review assignments will be here telling you who you need to review and who will be reviewing your work. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Student Wiki folder. In this folder you'll see wikis for everyone in the class. To access your own wiki, you'll find your name and you'll click on View. This is the home page for your wiki. Now across the top here you see several links to several different pages that have already been created. These are all the pages that you will need for this project. You will not need to create any new pages. Over here on the right hand side of the screen under page you see the new function. You won't need that. If you add your own pages, it's going to make this project very messy and hard to read for your reviewers and for Dr. Idle. So once your introduction is completed and you're ready to load it for peer review, you will come here, you will click on RLR Introduction, which takes you to a blank screen that you now need to edit, which gives you a text editing box. Now I forgot to open my introduction, so I'll do that real quickly. So I am going to copy and paste my introduction into the wiki. And I'm going to take out few of those spaces and I'm going to save it. Now, as you look at this, you can see that the spacing is not exactly what it needs to be. If I was actually turning this in on the wiki for peer review for Dr. Idle to look at, I would go in and spend a few minutes cleaning up the spacing, making sure my paragraphs were in the right spot, and sorting out my references a bit. For purposes of this demonstration, though, I'm going to leave it as it is. Now, for loading my introduction, that's all I need to do. But you can edit and save as often as you need to until you have it like you want it to look. So I'll go over here on the right and click on Home, and that will take me back to my home screen. Now, I can get to my pages across the top through these breadcrumbs or under the Site Navigation menu here on the right side of the screen. Now I'm ready to conduct my peer reviews. Dr. Idle has assigned me 2 people and I need to go in and peer review their work. So I'll find their name in the wiki folder, click on View, and then I will go to their introduction. There will be 2 ways you can leave feedback for your peer review, and you'll probably want to use both of these, so I'll show you how to do both now. First, you can directly edit on their document by going into the edit screen and adding comments, correcting spelling, add commas, whatever. I'm going to add a quick comment here. Sure, I understand what you're saying here. I'm going to put my initials so it's clear which reviewer left this, and then I'm going to change the color so that it stands out. If I was just adding in a comma or something, let's say I was going to add a comma right here, I would, instead of just changing the font, I would highlight it so that it will be even more apparent. I would suggest you pick one color that stands out and use that color throughout the document. Don't be changing back and forth. If you're the second reviewer that comes in, someone's already added some comments, pick a different color so that it's obvious which comments were done by which person. So I'm done commenting in the document. I've gone through it, and I'm going to click Save. So now the person can come in and see clearly what has been done. If I've done a good and thorough job of reviewing the document, I'm also going to have some overall comments I want to make about the paper probably. So if I'm the first reviewer, I will click on Introduction Reviewer number 1 comments, go to that blank page, click Edit, and add my comments. It seems you are using the 5th edition of APA, and we should be using the 6th edition. Okay. Once I'm done adding all my comments, I can save, and I'm done. I know going forward you're going to have additional questions about the wiki process. Please post them on the Q&A board and we will answer them as quickly as we can. I would also suggest that you regularly read the questions and answers on the Q&A board, because at some point one of those questions is going to apply to a problem that you come across. So check that regularly. Good luck with the wikis, and I hope it is a smooth process for you.